how to connect Twitter to Discord. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have. Also, make sure to watch our previous videos and tutorials. We have playlists for many apps. And let's get started right away. And let's go to Discord. Let's open Discord app. And make sure you sign in properly. And we're gonna go to the settings by clicking on the profile picture or the profile avatar in the bottom right. Click on it like this. As you can see, this is our Discord account. And as you can see, here are many settings sections for Discord. You have to set status if you want to change it from here, or your account data from here, or your user profile from here, your privacy and safety from here. Settings, what we need for now is connections. Click on connections, and as you can see, here is an empty connection space. Now what we're gonna do now is click on add, and after this, as you can see, we can connect many platforms to Discord. What we need for now is Twitter. Click on Twitter, and after this, when Twitter link opens for you or the pop-up opens for you, sign into your Twitter account. I'm gonna type my Twitter account right here. Now I'm gonna type my username here and enter my account details and click on authorize app. Now as you can see, once I click on authorize app, as you can see now Discord is connected to Twitter, or I already connected Twitter to Discord. So after this, click on done on the upper left, and now Twitter is connected successfully to Discord. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comments section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.